Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find volume monitor in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this function, where to look for this option? We need to go to settings as always. Then we are looking for our digital well-being and parental controls menu. And in here we have everything about our timers, about our applications, and here we have our volume monitor. So basically how loud we are listening. We have our weekly, our daily. Right now we have no data because we did not use any music or any application that uses music on this phone. But as you can see at the bottom, volume monitor is intended for headphones. If a Bluetooth speaker is being identified as headphones, you can change the device type in Bluetooth settings. So remember that. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.